Transferring money out of Shopify involves withdrawing funds from your Shopify payments account to your linked bank account. Here's how to do it. Access Shopify Admin. Log into your Shopify Admin dashboard using your credentials. Navigate to Payouts. In the Shopify Admin, go to the Settings section and select Payment Providers. Under the Shopify Payments section, click on View Payouts. Review Payouts. On the Payouts page, you will see a list of recent payouts. Review the available balance and select the payout you want to transfer money from. Request Payout. Click on the payout you want to transfer funds from, then click on the Request Payout button. Enter amount. Enter the amount you want to transfer out of Shopify. Keep in mind that there may be minimum or maximum transfer limits depending on your Shopify Payments account. Confirm request. Review the payout request details, including the transfer amount and bank account destination. Confirm the request to initiate the transfer. Wait for processing. The transfer may take a few business days to process, depending on your bank's processing times and any applicable payout schedules for Shopify payments. Check bank account. Once the transfer is processed, check your linked bank account to ensure the funds have been successfully deposited.